2014 is expected to be a huge year for IPOs in the tech sector, internet companies in particular. So what's driving the push in tech IPOs, and what should investors look for? Julia Borston has the story.
After Twitter's big public debut, investors should get ready for a slew of internet IPOs, from the likes of Airbnb to Guild Group, Pinterest to Uber. Research firm CB Insights says the number of internet companies in the tech IPO pipeline is up 39% from last year to 320. 25 of those internet companies are valued at $1 billion or more. Social tools will be more important than ever, but don't expect companies competing directly with Facebook and Twitter to go public.
Building that type of two-sided network that a social network requires is a very difficult thing to do, and most folks that try will not be able to do it. But if we can leverage kind of those social technologies to grow, and sell another product or service, right? That's sort of the way to go. So I think, social's become a layer that, everybody's sort of tapping into. And so we're seeing that more and more.
Venture capital has been abundant, so companies that want to delay the regulatory oversight that comes with being a public company have been able to find funding elsewhere. But a number of big internet names have significant revenue and have been around for so long that investors and employees are eager to cash out. So who will cash in? Of the VC firms, Kleiner Perkins has backed the most pre-IPO companies, including mobile payment startup Square. And of the corporate venture funds, Intel tops the list, with investments including cloud storage and sharing service Box. But which companies actually make it to the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ will depend not just on their revenue and growth, but also on the markets.
If the markets in general turn, then the window that these companies may see that they have closes. And so I think that's probably the biggest thing. I think the other thing is that there's lots of money, private money, for these companies, right? And so the need to go public has also diminished a bit. And so I think companies are choosing to wait, choosing to get the timing right.
But for now, with Twitter shares at an all-time high, up more than 110% from its IPO price, the market is looking ripe for the crowded pipeline. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Julia Borston in Los Angeles.